Today, me and Enoch will be explaining how to find the foci, center, vertices, and co-vertices of an ellipse. So the standard form of an ellipse is quantities x minus h squared over a squared plus quantities y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. So then we're going to put a sample problem up to explain how to use this equation to find the center of a ellipse. So first, the sample problem is 49x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 24 equals 0. So you move 24 to the other side to get 49x squared plus y squared plus 10x equals 24.
Plus f equals 0. And 49 plus 70 equals...
Next, you factor y squared plus 10x to make 49x squared plus quantities y plus 5 squared equals 24. So here, to complete the square, you have to add 25 to both sides, since 5 squared is 25, which leaves you with 49x squared plus quantities y plus 5 squared equals 49. So to get 1 on the 49 side, you divide both sides by 49, which leaves you with x squared plus
minus 10x minus 4y
x squared
minus 21
is x squared plus quantities y plus 5 squared over 49 equals
by completing the square. So first you want to do x and y terms.
Okay, there. Over 49 equals 1.
Next, you want to make a perfect square.
Okay, now we're gonna learn how to find the center, foci, vertices, and co-vertices of an ellipse will be. Right. So now that you have this equation, the center is 1, comma, negative 5.
The center is the x and y terms from the equation times negative 1.
Right. So the reason why is 0 and negative 5 is because first the x value is 0, and then you want to this thing to equal 0 and also this to equal 0. So negative 5 plus 5 is 0, and so everything there is equal 0. Okay. Now for the foci is to find the foci, you have to use the equation a squared minus b squared equals c squared. Right. And then now you have to remember that a squared is always the largest denominator.
Now that we have the center and the radius, graphing is very easy.
Right. So now in this one is 49 minus 1 equals c squared.
And then you go out in all the directions.
So c is square root of 48. So that means that the foci is 0, comma,
now we fill in the lines.
negative 5 plus or minus square root of 48. Alright. Now for the vertices. The vertices is simply square root of a squared, which is basically a, which is 7 in this term. So that means the vertices is what is it again? Oh, what? Oh my god! Alright, to find the vertices, now that you know A, you have to know that this is an ellipse that goes up and down. So that means you have to add and subtract 7 to the y value of the center. So then the vertices is 0, 2, and 0, negative 13. Negative 12. Sorry. Alright. Now to find the co-vertices, you do the same thing except now for the value of b, and this time you add it to the x value, and it's 1. So you get 1, negative 5. So you get 1, negative 5, and negative 1, negative 5. Right. No. And that's how you find the center, foci, vertices, and co-vertices of an ellipse. Don't watch it again.